ブレスオブマジックキャスター、インフィニティウォール、マジックウォードホーリー、ライフエッセンス、グレーターフルポテンシャル、フリーダム、フォールスデータライフ、シースルー、パラノーマルイントゥイション、グレーターレジスタンス、マントオブカオス、インドミタビリティ、センサーブースト、グレーターラック、マジックブースト、ドラゴニックパワー、グレーターハードニング、ヘブンリーオーラ、アブショーオブション、ペネトレートアップ、グレーターマジックシールド、マナエッセンス、トリプレットマキシマイズマジック、エクスプロードマイン、トリプレットマジック、グレーターマジックシールド、トリプレットマキシマイズブーステッドマジック、マジックアロー。
In order to cook up a fire choir beat, let's start by finding a choir sample that slaps harder than my ex whenever she caught me looking at other women. I don't know about you, but the choir sounds a little too boring for my liking, so let's spice it up by adding some effects. Secret sauce, EQ, a stereo widener, and a compressor. Let's chop it up for some more rhythm. Now that we're done with the choir, let's work on some smooth chords that can grab anyone's attention, regardless of what they're doing. The chords sound a bit empty playing by themselves, so let's work on a melody that can help fill them up.
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy.
Secret sauce, origin, and some EQ. Now let's make a counter melody. Okay, let's lay down some fire drums that are capable of starting a war.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always!
Now for a hard-hitting 808. Compressor. And you know I had to EQ that shit. Okay, in order to make sure that we haven't been making absolute dog shit, we need to hear how the drums and 808 sound like playing together.